Merchandise, Mat A Mountain Resort, Liguanan Cold Spring Escapade Resort, RPM Diesel Calibration, Dr. Rose Salta, Big P Poultry Farm, XD Wonder Tech, JYDD Agri Farm, Agrilex Farm, Shield Fuel Station, BP Office School Supplies, Tacos Plumbing Supplies, O&I AgriLink, Juas Rice and Corn Milling, Farmacia Nito, Vincelin Poultry Farm, ING Meat Shop, Bulyok Falls, Purple Yam Naawan Branch, Golden Award Center, Renin Noiset, Tang Ados Aninihaw and Lechon, Angeles Home of Pies, Double C, Saga Motors, Johan Swimming Pool, NCRB, Ritual Beauty Salon, Botica Sanaawan, Villa Cristina Inanod Resort, La Sposa Fashion Center, La Concepcion Beach Resort, M. Luwilier Naawan Branch, M2M, Madelicious, VZM, Royal Icing Cakes and Pastries, Rinse Grill, Milmar Store, CFL Water Refilling Station, Van Hub Store, Mayorix Vegetables and Spices Vending, Cristita's Gift Shop, Peering Meat Shop, Prince Studio, Sophia Store, Sanduk Poultry Farm, Bacadon Meat Shop, Balabat Motor Parts, Aqua Del Roa, Jose Bagares, Diana Store, Basic Need Bake Shop, Lina Idobos, Onlyness Shop, SP Motor Parts, Tagum Cooperative, Nok Nok, Aqua Shadow, Prateos, G-George Construction Supply, and The Wall Marketing. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, to our sponsors. Thank you so much. And now it's time for the giving of certificate of participation and certificate of appreciation to our judges. May I request Ma'am Jovi I Pagalan to hand me the certificate and at the same time the token for our